one.
Today we are going to be showing you how to make level difficulties and a you win sign. To start off, let's make the level difficulties. First, you need to create 2 push buttons and 1 label button. Name the push buttons easy and hard, and name your label level difficulties. That's not how you spell it. Okay. Now that we have completed this, let's go down to the world and we will start our code. Our first code will be in the interface. We will need to use the blocks when something pushed. Next, you are going to fill in the code with easy and hard. Then you will decide what number of hazards you want for each level. Then you will go to your agents page and put in 2 create blocks. The numbers I will be using are 3 and 5, and I will use hazards. Now you will customize your hazards. Your code will end up looking something like this. Make sure to add a scatter button so all the hazards don't start in the middle. Now let's try our code. We will press Setup, Forever, and Monsters Attack. Let's do easy. Now you see that there are 1, 2, 3 hazards. If we pressed hard, there would be 5 hazards. Thank you.